Say hello to my little friend. This is Mr. or Mrs. Cicada. They do not just come out every 13 to 17 years. Some of them come out annually. And this one just came out of his shell, and he's sitting here drying, of all places, on my screen. Trying to be nice and let him finish. That brown thing is the shell he just came out of, his egg, cocoon. I don't know exactly what you call it for a cicada, but he has to sit here until his wings dry out. They come out big and crazy looking. Is that his head? Is that his mouth? He has some big beady eyes. Looks kind of like a grasshopper as well. So I'm trying to be nice and let Mother Nature take his course. His wings do look very interesting though. You can see right through them. Kind of look like bat wings, but transparent bat wings. I don't know. But those big beady eyes are getting me. Oh well, I'll just sit here for a little while longer, let him do his thing. Do-do-do, do-do-do-do. Finish drying off.